Ah, Rubber Ducky saves the day. There you go. Problem solved. Okay, goodbye.
Ruff stopped the leak.
Quack.
It didn't work.
The water's headed for the comic books. To make the water flow in a different direction, we have to put something in its way.
Oh, how about this bookend?
And the stapler. Let's try it. And hurry! The comic books are depending on us.
It's working! We saved them!
Uh-oh. Another leak. Can you help us? Almost there! Don't forget about the other leak. Cool idea! Nice problem solving! Amazing! You fixed all of Ruff's messes! Can you find different ways to fix them? Or go play in the pool party? Library.
Cafeteria!
Hallway. Library. Hallway.
Cafeteria!
Library. Hallway.
Cafeteria!
Welcome to the pool party! What do you want to play with? When you get all 3 stars, you unlock new toys to play with here.